My name is Dr. Clarity, and I'm going to introduce a method of breathing right now called heart breathing, which was invented and researched by a group called the Institute of HeartMath. And they've written a lot of books. It's Dr. Childre, C-H-I-L-D-R-E. In general, breathing is going to be one of your most calming and centering methods to deal with having a more calm, empowered life. Because I own a brainwave machine and I've hooked hundreds of clients up to it and I've hooked myself up to it, and when I have them hooked up, I try all the different methods that I know, many methods that I know, calming techniques, and I'd have to say probably I have almost the most success with just simple breathing techniques. So the great thing about that is you don't need equipment. Once you learn it, you can do it anywhere. You can just run into the ladies' room or the men's room and get in a stall and close the stall and just do it anywhere. So today I'll teach you an advanced breathing method called heart breathing. And when they researched this at the Institute of HeartMath, what they found was that they could actually synchronize the heart rate variability, which is a really important method for actually syncing up also your brain wave with your heart wave. And once people do this, they feel a real sense of centeredness, calmness, and also just an ability to go out there and tackle what they got to do at empowerment. So to do heart breathing, what we're going to do is you're going to take your hands and place them over your heart. And when we get into the method, you're basically going to be pretending that instead of just pulling air through your lungs, you're actually also going to pretend to pull it through your heart. And they didn't know when they did the research that it was going to be so effective. They don't really have an explanation for this at the Institute. All they know is that when they did the research, they had way better outcomes on heart rate variability being in the sweet spot on the software and synchronization of heart wave and brain wave. So we don't know why. We could guess, you could guess, because it's really imaginary. We're just imagining to pull the breath also through our heart. Another thing they did in their research was they said thank you to their heart before they started. Thank you for, serving me all these years and just faithfully being my pump and this sort of magical motor that all of us have in us that all by itself takes good care of us while we sleep and while we're awake. So thank you so much. And that's the intro to heart breathing.